formula of precipitate that forms when lead nitrate aqueous and potassium sulfate aqueous are mixed. This is something about precipitation reaction, if you remember. So you have PbNO3 2 aqueous plus you have potassium sulfate aqueous, right? But as I mentioned, I won't be asking completed. If I ask balance and this is just for your practice, I put it. But your question, if I ask, I will break it down into either just which is the precipitate or what. So here, how the reaction goes. If you remember, when they react plus minus, ionic compound, plus minus, right? This actually attracts the negative part of this compound and this will attract this. So what should be our correct formula here? You have PbSO4, and now I did give you the solubility rules. If you see there, all sulfates are soluble, exceptional lead, silver, mercury. So those are solid. Plus, what is potassium nitrate? All the nitrates are soluble. So there is no exceptional for nitrate, right? So once you have this, is it balanced? No. Not really. So if you look at here, there is K2, there are NO3 2. Rest is balanced. Lead and sulfate 1 balance already. So potassium and nitrate, you have 2 on the reactant side. Here you have just 1. So if you put 2 here, it is balanced. So based on that, for this particular reaction answer, you need that solubility chart. Just look what you're going to form the precipitate. This is going to be your precipitate, PPT. So once you have it, now I think there is one question about molecular complete, and so this is called balanced molecular equation. This is already balanced molecular now, right? How we do the complete ionic now? You remember complete ionic means all the aqueous solution will breaks down into or dissociates into ions. Only solid, liquid, gas cannot dissociate into ions. So keep it in mind and make it like CIE, complete ionic equation. So let's break it down. So, and you do need to know the chart. So lead, since this 2 is from here, you can think about that. So lead 2 plus. How we write nitrate ion? Since there are 2 nitrate, you have to put front now, and then nitrate are NO3 negative, and don't forget to put AQ next to it. Okay, and this we done for lead nitrate, right? How we do this potassium sulfate now? You don't write K2 plus, rather 2K plus. Very good. You are remembering something. That's still good. If you forget, go back, remember now. Sulfate minus negative 2 and then aqueous. Okay, we've done so far breaking down the aqueous solution. And now here lead sulfate, it is solid. You are not supposed to dissociate into ions, so keep this as it is. Lead sulfate, solid. What about this? Yes, it is aqueous, so it is going to dissociate. So how we write this? 2K plus aqueous plus 2 NO3 negative AQ. Okay, so I just need to erase this a little bit here so you don't get confused. So this is negative and AQ. Now, is there something, this is called complete ionic equation, CIE, right? And now finally, look for spectator ions, means look left hand side and the right hand side, or reactant side and product side, if there is anything that remains same on both, no change. So if you look at it, this is same, this is also same, see, 2K plus 2NO3 minus. Now, whatever remaining is your net ionic equation. So what is left? We have lead plus here. On the reactant side, we have this plus. What is another? Sulfate ion left. And on the product side, we have lead, sulfate. And it needs to be balanced automatically. And this looks good. +2, -2 overall neutral. Good thought, that's it. Okay, thank you.